Best fiber towels for effective cleaning. The demand for high-performance cleaning tools has surged, and microfiber towels have become an essential part of every household and car detailing kit. Known for their superior absorbency, lint-free finish, and eco-friendly reusability, microfiber towels deliver powerful cleaning results with minimal effort. This guide evaluates top microfiber towel options based on material quality, size, durability, and versatility, perfect for car detailing, kitchen messes, and general cleaning. Let's explore the best picks on Amazon right now. List number: FantastiClean Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Roll 75 pack. FantastiClean's microfiber cloth roll is a genius innovation that combines convenience with performance. The roll includes 75 tearaway 12-inch by 12-inch microfiber towels that are both reusable and durable. It's an ideal solution for those who need a quick grab-and-go option for messes in the kitchen, garage, or car. Despite their disposable format, these cloths are machine washable, making them cost-effective over time. They are highly absorbent and soft enough to use on delicate surfaces without scratching. List number: MR Siga Professional Premium Microfiber Towels 6-pack Gold. The MR Siga Professional Premium Microfiber Towels are dual-sided wonders designed for more than just household chores. They shine in automotive detailing too. Each towel measures 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches, giving you ample surface area for handling larger cleaning jobs. One side has plush fibers for buffing and polishing, while the other side is more textured for scrubbing. These towels are ultra soft. List number: Fixsmith Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Pack of 50. Fixsmith's 50-pack microfiber towel set is a powerhouse for everyday cleaning at home, work, or in the garage. Each towel measures 16 by 12 inches, striking a great balance between coverage and manageability. What sets them apart is their absorbency and fast drying capability, perfect for spills, dusting, polishing, or car cleaning. These towels are soft yet strong, making them safe for use on all surfaces without scratching or leaving lint. List 4. MR Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Pack of 12 Gray. Another reliable entry from MR Siga. This 12-pack of all-purpose microfiber towels in gray is a household essential. Each cloth measures approximately 12 by 16, making them ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from wiping mirrors and windows to scrubbing bathroom counters. These towels are non-abrasive and streak-free, which makes them perfect for delicate surfaces like glass or screens. List 5. Edgeless Microfiber Towels for Cars 6-pack, 12 by 12. Designed specifically for car detailing, the edgeless microfiber towels deliver scratch-free cleaning and polishing results thanks to their ultra-soft 540 GSM construction. The edgeless design eliminates hard seams that could damage paint or finish, making them a favorite among automotive enthusiasts. Each 12-inch by 12-inch towel is super plush and ultra absorbent, capable of tackling wax residue,